I'm gonna make this. It comes with the grilled chicken, fettuccine, and Alfredo sauce, but I don't use the grilled chicken because I have some rotisserie chicken leftovers. This is what I'm making. I highly recommend it. It tastes delicious. In your pan, you're gonna add the noodles. You're gonna add this back into it, and then to your pasta, you're gonna add a half cup of water. That's half a cup. Okay, so I added the sauce. Now we're gonna mix it. Okay, I mixed it in. I'm gonna let it simmer. It's hatch chile roasted chicken. Super good. Anyway, and the noodles are gonna get soft like this, and then I shredded my chicken, which I'm gonna add. Okay, there's the chicken. You got as much chicken as you want. That's as much as I want. And you just mix it in. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. So you grab your French bread, however much you're gonna eat. Okay, and we have some butter. Okay, and then we have some Parmesan shredded cheese. Okay, and I'm gonna watch. Okay. So you spread the butter. Well, now we're gonna put your bread. And you put your cheese. And you put your bread. Do that. Okay, and there's your cheese bread. Okay, there's the chicken Alfredo. My husband eats 6 ounces of chicken every day, so I mean every meal, so he needs 6 extra.